not only in Mexico and the United States, certainly and around the world. But beyond that, we have a compassionate, humanitarian feeling, caring for people. So we're down here with nurses, with school teachers, with people from all walks of life who are down here. We have a clinic we're operating now with some of our doctors here and some of our nurses. We brought down food and clothing and medicine to try to alleviate the humanitarian crisis.
It's incredible how you people, how Americans coming here to support this humanitarian crisis. So I wanted you to explain to me about that.
Well, I think it drives from our hearts, from our faith, from our belief, the fact that all people matter to God, that we don't care where they're from. They don't have to look like us or talk like us. If they're hurting, is there a way where we can help them? And this group of people has, along with people back home who sent down money and medicines and resources to help people. And I'm very proud of the people, not just with us, but people back in Texas and Oklahoma who have sent down resources.
What do you think about President Obama say probably the best choice is to start to deport all those kids who are coming here to the U.S.? What do you think about that?
You know, I look back upon what's happened in our history. You know, our country is full of immigrants. My descendants are immigrants from different countries. I don't really have an answer to all that, but I do know that when the Vietnamese boat people came into the United States, even a lot of faith-based organizations, the Catholic churches, other groups, took on families and supported them for a while. I've heard some of the stories here. You know, you get stories on the other news stations in the States, and then you come down here and hear the stories face to face, and they are stories of people who have been hurt in their home country, that have had their spouses murdered, that their kids are at risk, that they're in immense poverty. Any of us who are family members, parents, would do anything to alleviate that, even if it meant traveling millions of miles, hundreds of miles to get here and find some sort of peace and help.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you, Apreseda. Muy bien.
At this facility in Reynosa, we're on the Mexican side. ¿Te van a poner una inyección? No, una inyección. No es cierto. Para allá. Okay. These are all immigrants from Honduras, Guatemala, and El Salvador, and I just happened to be here while this bus pulled up. On the Mexican side.
Solo Dios hace al hombre feliz. La vida es nada, todo se acaba. Solo Dios hace al hombre feliz. Solo Cristo hace al